afternoon, this is Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director with This Week in Richmond. We are here in downtown Hamlet on Main Street at Hail Mary's Tavern, where tonight they will have the NFL Kickoff party. They will open at 4 p.m. and steaks will be served at 7 p.m. You can see more information about this event on the Facebook event page on Hail Mary's Tavern Facebook. Also tonight, the Rockingham Plaza Jam returns in downtown Rockingham on the lawn of Plaza. The Tams will start at 6:30 p.m. and it will end at 8:30 p.m. Tomorrow, Friday, September the 8th, makes the second Friday in the month of September, which means food trucks will be in the Hamlet Visitor Center parking lot from 11 a.m. until 7 p.m. You can see the full list of what food trucks will be there on Visit Hamlet NC and also on Hamlet Depot and Museums on Facebook. There's a Facebook event page for the Food Truck Friday. That will be tomorrow here in Hamlet. In addition to the food trucks at 4 p.m., there will be a cruise-in. Here at Hail Mary's Tavern, there will be the Grand Stranded Comedy Tour. And over at Axe to Grind, they will have live music with Dark Horse Duo. In Rockingham, the Safety Committee Band will be at Hudson Brothers, and over at Double Vision, they will have karaoke. Also Friday night at Fox Road Farm, the Royal Ball, which is a daddy-daughter dance, will go on from 6 until 10 p.m. Tickets for this event are still available on the Fox Road Farm Facebook page and website. Starting Friday at Rockingham Dragway and lasting throughout the weekend, Chris Miller Racing will have Summer Slam. This event includes drag racing, roll racing, and a huge car show. You can find out more information about the weekend-long event on the Rockingham Dragway Facebook page and also on the event page for the Summer Slam, which is through Chris Miller Racing. On Saturday, September 9th, there will be a toy ride for Pence Place that will start at Hideaway Tavern. Also, Operation Fix of Richmond County will have their Paddle for the Paws event. This will start at the boat landing in Anson County. There's more information on Facebook and on the Facebook event page for Paddle for Paws, and this is a fundraiser for Operation Fix of Richmond County. On Saturday morning, Cool Cakes Bakery in downtown Rockingham will have their second kids market. You can find out more details and make sure your kid is signed up to be a part of the market on the Cool Cakes Facebook page and the event page for the kids market. Richmond County 4-H Livestock Show will be Saturday at Millstone 4-H Camp in Ellerby. And at 1 o'clock, the VFW Post 4203 will have a reunion recruitment event. They will serve food, and they will also have an ornament making session for the Our Heroes tree that will be at Cole Auditorium. Starting Saturday the 9th and lasting throughout Sunday, Rockingham Speedway will welcome the Myrtle Beach Drift Group again for Battle at the Little Rock 3. There's more information about this two-day event on the Myrtle Beach Drift Facebook page and also the event page for Myrtle Beach Drift Battle at Little Rock 3. Here in Hamlet, the Sandhills Shag Club will have their monthly shag session this Saturday night at Hamlet American Legion, Post 49. They will also have a cruise-in that will start at 6 p.m. and shagging will start at 7 p.m. until 10. In Rockingham, DJ Roy G will be at Double Vision. For more information on these events and other upcoming events here in Richmond County, see our website, visit richmondcounty.com, where you can subscribe to our blog, find our YouTube channel, and also be linked to our Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We hope to see you around town at food trucks, here at Hail Mary's, at one of the tracks, on the Petey River, and other places here in Richmond County where we have events this weekend. If not, we will definitely see you next week.